The governor in California saying, I mean, it's through, next week they're going to continue to see this heavy rain.
Yeah, some of the outlooks for the next 7 days bring 12 inches of additional rainfall to Northern California. In fact, seeing one of those storms approaching the West Coast right now. They've been dealing with rounds of rainfall this morning along the coastline of Northern California, and that mountain snow continuing to pile up in the Sierras. Meanwhile, a storm system that was on the West Coast earlier this week is crossing the center of the nation today and eventually going to deliver some rain and gusty winds to our area for part of tomorrow and Friday morning. But right now, just dry conditions expected out on our radar as we make our way through our daytime today. Going to keep it in the green for the threat tracker. Same for Thursday daytime. Bumped up for Thursday night, Friday morning. Widespread rain and gusty winds. Does look like it'll already be drying out by Friday afternoon. Right now, we're going to start off our day with sunshine, but finish it with increasing clouds or dry conditions in North Scituate, where it's been our coldest morning of the work week so far. About 21 degrees in Smithfield, 24 in Providence, and 27 right now in Westerly. Feeling, though, still like it's in the teens. Bundle up, heading out the door with those winds out of the north and northeast today, staying between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. Our forecast for the morning hours turning partly sunny, dry conditions climbing into the middle 30s, noontime temperature with afternoon highs in the upper 30s. Mostly cloudy finish to the day at 4 o'clock. Cloudy skies, but quiet this evening. We'll dip down into the upper 20s and lower 30s by early and mid-evening and kind of hover there all night long. So not going to be quite as cool when you wake up tomorrow morning. Cloudy skies, mainly dry conditions. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. This is at 2 o'clock. We've got low clouds out of the ocean advancing in from the east. May even see a couple of flurries along Boston and Plymouth shoreline out to Cape Cod too. And then mid and high clouds coming in from the west. The result will be just that cloudy finish as we talked about. Overcast skies tonight and tomorrow morning. Not much going on during the morning commute. May catch a couple of lighter showers by the late morning and midday hours, but a lot of Thursday generally just cloudy. The rain filling in by Thursday night. Widespread heavy rainfall into early on Friday morning. This is around 7 a.m. But latest computer model information has us moving pretty quickly to the east, drying out for the second half of the day. And you can see all the way up into northern New England. After a couple inches of snow at the onset on Thursday, a change over to rain even expected into eastern Canada. So we're looking at about an inch of rain around here. Winds gusting Thursday night after midnight into Friday morning to about 40 and 45 miles per hour. So some slower travel possible for your Friday morning commute, and then some improving conditions as we head into the weekend. It's blustery, cool and dry for the weekend. 37 degrees for today, middle 40s for tomorrow, but that's not really until tomorrow evening or night. During the daytime, I expect to see our temperatures in the lower 40s. Warmest day of the stretch Friday with that rain and wind. We're in the 50s for a time, but then cooling back to the 40s for Saturday, Sunday, and near 40 on Martin Luther King Jr. Day.